Okay, ready for this? Bunny, come take a look at what's out here. Look. There's the blimp. What are you going to do? Oh my goodness. Do you see it? Do you see it, Bun? She doesn't see it yet. Oh, now she does. Bunny, who's usually so very quiet, doesn't bark at anything, but whenever she sees the blimp, she barks her head off. Bunny, what is it about the blimp? What is it about the blimp, dear? Beautiful day in sunny South Florida. Say hello, Bunny. Say hello to the world. Oh, the blimp is behind the building, so she doesn't see it, but she's going to see it here in a second. Oh my goodness, what is that? There's Tip wondering what the hell is wrong with this dog. Both Lola and Tipper are wondering, why is Bunny barking? Okay, here she's at it again. I guess the blimp is giving rides today because we've seen it 3 different times, and each time Bunny is going berserk. Uh-oh, gotta go check my flames. I'm grilling some ribs. Beautiful day today. Let's go outside, kids. Oh my gosh. Bunny's out of control. Here's your blimp. Is flying over. And there she is. Tipper's wondering what the hell? Beautiful day. I believe I'll head to the beach here shortly. Daiquiri at Fat Tuesdays. Lola, what do you think? Hush up, girl! Just does not like that blimp. She doesn't bark at anything, and the blimp comes by and she goes crazy. She's out of control. Chipper's trying to reel her in. What's up, buddy? Tipper? I've been in the Goodyear blimp twice. The girls just had a bath. In fact, all 4 of us did. We all jumped in the shower together and I bathed them. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. The blimp is very close and she cannot stand it. A little too close for comfort. I don't understand it. She does not bark at anything. Except for the blimp. What is it, Bunny? Is the blimp gonna get you? Come on, let's go in. Let's go in. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Good, you chased the blimp away.